Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So on this video, I want to teach you guys how to go from the 600s to the 700s in 1 month. So if you guys are stuck in the 600s, you're like, I don't know why I'm just stuck here, I can never go to the next level, then I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to be able to go to the next level. Understand during this process, you all, you have to just do what you have to do. Like, certain things that you have to do, and I'm going to teach you what you have to do. You have to do what you have to do to get to the 700. So if you don't follow all the tips I'm going to give you, then you may have lacked one thing that could have took you to the 700s. Okay, I had this problem before, so I know exactly what it could be and what you probably got going on as to why you're not going to the 700s. So let's start off by saying this: when you guys are in the 600s and you're trying to be able to go to the 700s, sometimes it's just one little thing that you have to do. So here's an example right here. If you want to see things like this, like an 87-point increase, what you really need to do is make sure you don't have any negative accounts reporting on your credit reports at all. If you have negative accounts reporting, you need to go and get them deleted. Even if you guys have little things like inquiries, I suggest that you guys remove them inquiries and also remove the accounts from your credit reports. And sometimes people have student loans that they need to get removed. Remove the student loans. Or if you have a bankruptcy, work to remove your bankruptcy, okay? Because that's going to be huge. You need to remove these different accounts. If you guys go to my website, Rickita.com, I have a letter for you for free, because this is going to be one of the major things that you all are going to have to do. You have to remove these negative accounts from your credit reports. If you can see right here, it has the free dispute letters, and it's free dispute letter package. I actually have it here to show you. This is what's in there. This is just a sample letter that I already did. We're going live. So this is not, this is not how yours is going to come. You're going to need to put your name, your address, social, date of birth in here. And you're going to have to send letters to the credit bureaus. We copied this letter 3 times because we got 3 different credit bureaus. But you have to send letters to the credit bureaus and list all of your negative accounts there that you need to remove. So that's first of all, okay? You need to remove your negative accounts. And not only do you need to remove your negative accounts, I told you inquiries also. If you scroll down some more, I suggest you call the credit bureaus and ask them to remove the inquiries from your credit reports, but you can also use this letter right here. So you can use this letter, just fill in the name of the inquiry right here where it says name, put the name of the inquiry, and then leave it right here where it says not authorized. And you can copy and paste this. If you got more than 4 inquiries, I suggest you not put more than 10 on the letter. But if you got more than 4 inquiries, go ahead and just copy this here, and then just copy and then paste it. And then there we go. We already at 8 now. But again, I don't want you to put too many on here, but that's how you can make more room for more inquiries. Because definitely removing these inquiries can really help you increase your credit scores. So that's one thing. So if you got negative accounts, remove them. If you got inquiries, remove them. Another thing, if you got high utilization, I suggest that you guys pay down your credit cards. And if you can't pay down your credit cards, get some other credit cards that can definitely help with your utilization. So I always tell people, it's a few of them that I tell people to get. Here's one of the accounts that you can get that's going to help with your utilization. This will probably give you over $10,000. It's usually for people that want to get cosmetic surgery, but a lot of people don't want to get any type of cosmetic, dental, or anything like that. So if you pre-qualify for this credit card, they can give you lines of $25,000, but they usually give out at least $10,000. Like at least they should give you $10,000, and you can pre-qualify for it again without a hard inquiry. But since you don't want to do cosmetic, I don't know if you want to do cosmetic, but since a lot of people don't want to do cosmetic, you can use this just to help with your utilization. Because now if you get $10,000, it's going to report that you got $10,000 that you're not even using. So it's going to help lower your overall utilization, because your utilization is very, very important. So you really need to pay down your credit cards, figure out when the bill is due, and pay it down. So I usually suggest, if they can't pay it down, somebody can't pay it down, but you still got a decent score and your only problem is utilization because you already moved your negative accounts, then I usually tell people to go ahead and get the Alpheon credit card. That's what I suggest that people do. Go ahead and get this one, pre-qualify for it, because this is going to help with your overall utilization, which is going to help you increase your credit score. Now, I showed you guys previously, if you guys been watching my videos, someone that was able to get a great increase by just paying out their credit cards, removing accounts from their credit reports. They was at 430 in June, and then in October, Not even technically June, July, August, September, October. Not even to the 4 month mark, because it wasn't even the 17th of October. That would have made exactly 4 months. So still less than 4 months, they're at 671. So look, 430 to 671. This is from the utilization. This is from removing accounts, inquiries. That's what you all need to do. Now, some of y'all too, y'all stuck in the 600s because y'all ain't got nothing reporting. Y'all have nothing reporting to the credit bureaus vouching for you, saying that you're paying on time. So if you have that problem, then what I want you to do is I want you to go right back to my website, so Rickita.com, and scroll down. And then you'll see these lists right here. These are the credit cards that I usually suggest to people. So you might want to get Rickita's top credit cards, pre-qualified with no hard inquiry, the best credit cards for bad credit, which is usually a lot of people's list. I like that list for people that's building. Best credit card to build credit for students, travel, gas, rewards, and cash back. I suggest if you don't have any credit and your credit's probably shaky still, you really don't have any, I suggest you look at the best credit cards for bad credit. But if you got all your negative accounts removed, your only problem is you really just don't have accounts, then I do suggest you do this one right here, was to pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. Because I'm pretty sure it's a lot of credit cards on this list that you could possibly be able to get. So that's the thing. I really suggest that you all check out this list, because this list can very well help you, especially if you don't have at least 4 credit cards. So that's your goal. Have 4 credit cards. Make sure they're reporting on time. When you have those 4 credit cards, then you'll be good. So that's what I suggest. So we got the self Visa card here. That's really for somebody that really need like a secure one. Credit builder, also a secure card. Both of those don't care what your credit look like. So if you can't get any other credit card, you at least should be able to get those two. Kickoff on here, I only suggest people do the installment account with the kickoff, where you paying $10 per month for 12 months. And look, we got Discover. It's a lot of Discover on here. Discover don't have any annual fee at all, so I love them. And we got Capital One on here. We got the Apple card on here. And I told you, Apple just recently gave me another increase. So I definitely love Apple. And I'm definitely going to suggest them to everyone. So definitely the Apple card. Navy Federal, they have a lot of different credit cards you all can get. But look on this list. It's going to be a lot of them. And since my computer is taking a long time to load, you guys cannot see this right here, these videos. But those are going to be the video for each credit card. So definitely go on here and see if there's any credit cards on this list that you like. And if you do like a certain credit card, so say if you like let's go up some. Say if you like the Apple card, a lot of these credit cards, I got a full review about them where people saying whether or not they got approved. And we're going to be updating it with more people saying that they got approved for these cards and taking older ones out. But go ahead and search the credit card on my website. I always got a search bar right here at the top. Go ahead and search for a certain credit card. And here is the full review right here. So the Apple card, let's go ahead and click on here. And then you can apply for the card right on here. You get a free downloadable guide, which tell you about this credit card and other credit cards is like. And then tell you other people that was able to get approved for the credit card. If anybody said they was able to get approved, I usually take those reviews and put them on here. So search the credit card that you like, but you need to have at least 4 credit cards. So I just want to do a quick review. Make sure you guys have at least 4 credit cards. You remove your inquiries. You remove your negative accounts. And don't forget, you can get that free letter on my website. If for some reason you already tried that free letter, you still having problems, target your accounts. If it's student loans that's wrong, get the targeted letter here. It's a package of 6 letters: collections, charge-offs, whatever it is, you target it, okay? And also, you got the negative accounts, you have your inquiries, you need 4 credit cards, and then your utilization. Pay down those credit cards. If you can't pay down your credit cards, you got decent credit, try to see if you can get the Alpheon credit card, because with this one, like I said, they should give you at least $10,000. That should help with your overall utilization. Hopefully this helps. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.